Hey, welcome back guys. In this video I will show you the top 7 apps to sell your photos for iOS. With these apps you can sell your photos and make money. Okay, so the first one is Shutterstock. The best way to discover and purchase royalty-free images and videos on your mobile device. Browse over 310 million high-quality stock photos, illustrations, vectors, and videos from one of the world's largest subscription-based stock library. Buy your content and share it easily, all within the app. Shutterstock is a leading global provider of high-quality licensed images, videos, and music. Okay, the next one is 20. 20 is the best way to take your mobile photography to the next level. Make money selling your photos to brands, agencies, and designers. 20 is completely free to use. All licensings are royalty free. 20 is a stock photography service. It claims to have the world's largest crowdsourced commercial image catalog. 20 wants to set itself apart by taking a mobile-oriented, crowdsourced approach to stock imagery, allowing businesses to easily find, purchase, and legally use photos contributed by a massive community of smartphone photographers. For me, I prefer 20. Okay, the next one is EyeEm. Turn your inspiration into money with EyeEm. Join a community of over 20 million creators around the globe. Share your inspiration and sell your pictures all in one place. Get discovered and win prizes with EyeEm missions. Sell your photos through the EyeEm marketplace and start making real money with your talent. EyeEm builds technology to showcase the best images from the world's leading photo community. Okay, the next one is Snapwire. Get paid for your beautiful, authentic photos. Snapwire is a platform that connects a new generation of photographers with brands and businesses around the world. Photographers get access to real-time, paid photo requests and challenges. Snapwire is your home for selling all your creative photography. With Snapwire, you can participate in Snapwire Challenges and earn award money. Level up and get exclusive access to paid photo requests from popular businesses and brands. Sell photos directly in growing stock photo marketplace. Build a beautiful profile and sell images directly from it, and more. Okay, the next one is GuruShots. Join a community of millions around the world who are already hooked. Join daily photo challenges, get instant feedback, see how you rank in real time compared to others. Join a community of millions, improve your photography, get instant feedback on your photos from over 5 billion monthly votes. Top GuruShot members have the chance to snag prizes. Members cast over 5 billion monthly votes in more than 500 photo challenges, winning $6,000 in prizes. Share photos in photo challenges from black and white to beards. Okay, the next one is FOOB. Turn your photos into money. Upload your photo collection and sell it to well-known brands all over the world. Sell your photos through FOOB Market. You can also distribute your content through partners to help you sell even more of your photos and get feedback on your photos from other FOOBers. FOOB is free. What's more, every time you sell a photo, you get 50% of the commission. Every mission is rewarded with a prize starting with $50. Okay, the last one is Agora. Enter the world's biggest photo competition for free and submit your best shots for a chance to earn money. Agora is a digital channel where people create, vote, and curate the best pictures taken worldwide. On Agora, you can't sell images, but through entering weekly photo challenges, you can win cash prizes from $1,000 to $25,000 and features in the world's most read newspaper and magazines. Join weekly photo contests, make money, and achieve global exposure. With Agora, sit back and enjoy the show. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.